Happy New Year, lovelies. So in this video I'm gonna show you New Year theme photoshoot idea at home. So for this I'm creating this cute background setup for photoshoot. So first of all I'm using this sari ka box to make a photo frame for New Year. So I cut this in square size from center and right here Happy New Year, and also draw some stars all around the frame. So now our Happy New Year photo frame is ready. So the second thing I'm doing is I'm using a red color sari ka box and cut this in 4 numbers which are 20, 22, and now our cuts are ready. Now take any straws or anything like that and wrap it in like gift paper, and lastly secure it with using a sellotape. Now repeat the same process in all the numbers, and now it's ready for the photo shoot. So as you guys can see that our background is almost ready. I also have a glass of juice and some fairy lights which I throw on the floor and cover them using cotton. So now our background is fully ready for the photo shoot. So yeah, let's start.
तेरी जैसी ब्यूटी किसी की भी नहीं होनी, तेरी जैसी ब्यूटी किसी की भी नहीं होनी। ठंडे की बोतल में तेरा प्यार तुझे गट गट मैं पी लूं। कोका कोला तुम्हारा दिल किया जो इशारा बड़ा प्यारा है नजारा, और खास लगी है, खास लगी है। आधा पी लूं अभी आधा शाम के लिए मैं तुझे रख लूं चके। अरे गर्मी बड़ी है, आहा आहा गर्मी बड़ी है, आहा आहा गर्मी बड़ी है।